Yeah, what's going on, family? It's your man B Miles coming to you live once again with another video from the B Miles 84 News and Conscious channel. I actually want to come to y'all with another video, man, talking about how a 4.7 earthquake right over there in St. Louis, Obispo County in California. And they said this happened around 4:42 p.m. yesterday, and they said followed up with a 3.6 aftershock that happened around 4:49 p.m. 7 minutes later. So this is another earthquake update right here. So you definitely want to keep your eyes and ears open on the situation as far as these earthquakes that are happening, on a frequent basis. But I had to come to y'all with this video, man, spread thoughts upon this, shed light upon the situation. I felt the need to y'all here to hear this subject. Keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. Always appreciate the love. And don't forget to hit the bell to get all of my notifications. Like, share, subscribe. And also the article will be in the description box. And it's your man B Mouse coming to you live once again from the B Mouse 84 News and Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.